Get ready to make your baking come alive with this simple to prepare turtle bread sculpture. To make a turtle, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of dough. Divide off 1/4 of the dough. Cover until ready to use. With 3/4 of the dough, form the turtle body, bringing the edges to the center and pinching to make a smooth ball. Place on the greased baking sheet or baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now, taking the small portion, divide in half. With 1/2, divide again. Pinch together to make a small head. And a thin tail. Gently lift the body and attach. Do the same on the opposite end. Now with the remaining dough, create 4 legs. Roll until you create a smooth ball. Attach the balls just under the edge, 2 on each side. Now cover and let rise until double in size. Now that our turtle has proofed, it's time to slash the back of the turtle to create the shell. Use the sharp edge of the blade of the knife to make gentle slashes, less than 1/8 of an inch deep. Slash in checkerboard fashion. Now taking a pair of scissors, snip each leg in 3 places to create claws. Insert whole cloves for the eyes. Press firmly to secure. Before putting it in the oven, apply an egg wash evenly until entire surface is covered. An egg wash is optional, but adds great shine. Dab any drips with a paper towel. Now, bake in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until done. Serving up this turtle bread sculpture will add life to a party. Let your imagination run wild.